Hey, what's up guys? You know what? iOS 26 icons now available on Play Store and this is absolutely free. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to apply these iOS 26 icons on your Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to Play Store, search iOS 26 icon pack and simply download these icon packs on your Galaxy device. These icons direct Play Store link available on description. Simply tap on install. After install, simply tap and open and simply tap on get started. Look at this. This is official iOS 26 icons. Now look at this, all icons. Now go to Play Store again, search Good Lock and simply download Good Lock on your Galaxy device. After download, simply open Good Lock, update all modules and open Theme Park. After open Theme Park plugin, tap on icon, tap on create new, tap on icon pack and look at this iOS 26 icons. Now simply save these icons. After save, simply tap and apply. And look at this iOS 26 icon pack on your Galaxy device. So guys, you also install these iOS 26 icon packs on your Galaxy device. Look at this guys, control center. I completely convert control center into glassy control center. Look at this notification panel. Look at this glass background. You also enable this glass control center on your Galaxy device. Guys, simply check out full video link on description. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.